everybody, my name is David Silverberg, and today we're going to be covering anything and everything having to do with write-offs on invoices or discounts on invoices. To get started, I'm just going to go ahead and edit an existing invoice I have here for my Jane Doe contact. The first method I'm going to show you is a percentage-based discount. This is a field that we have on all of our invoices and on our batch invoice page as well. Any percent you want to take off the bill, so let's just say 20%. When I click outside of that field, we're going to see a discount field appear with the appropriate deduction in the subtotal box on the bottom right there. So instead of 1,000, we're charging them 800. The other way is by doing a dollar discount, which we can do by simply hitting plus flat fee. And we can either add a line item just on this invoice so there's no record, or we can hit the new flat fee button so there's a physical record of this discount back on the matter. This is the way that I recommend doing, because this will give you the ability to have additional reporting after the fact on all the discounts you've given so far. So I'm going to do new flat fee, just like this. Go ahead and give it a name. You can go ahead and give it a discount name. If you haven't already made one, you can hit new item there to make a discount item name. Discount. Quantity, the trick here is to make your quantity a -1. So whatever we put as the price, let's say $100, it'll deduct that amount from the total. The description, thanks for being amazing. Whatever reason they're getting this discount, you can go ahead and include there and save. And we can see right there, there is a -$100 line item now on the invoice, deducting the subtotal by that amount. So those are two ways you can do it on the invoice itself. I'm going to save this one. The other way of doing a write-off is by literally doing a write-off on the invoice itself. And to do that, just open the invoice or any invoice, hit the Actions button right up here on the top right, and click Write-Off right here. And this is going to give a little pop-up message here, and it's going to write off whatever remaining balance is on the invoice completely. So you really only want to do this when you have given up all hope on ever getting this invoice paid. But getting it written off here, you're going to see the credit that's applied. This is basically like an operating payment, but one that will not show up as income in any of your reports. So it's really just removing this amount as an owed amount for your firm. And that's it. Enjoy.